Okay, so let me showcase the syllabus and what are the things. We'll have quick 1 minute of introduction about that syllabus. So here you have the syllabus: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, and then Angular. Everything you can able to found it. Okay, who wants to learn this real time, right? The project we required all the Angular syllabus concepts. Hope everybody know that one. How to create an environment setup. Next, component, right? Next, how to set up a module. Next, data bindings. We're having the different types of data bindings. Next, Angular services. Next, nested components. Next, directives, Angular pipes, lifecycle hooks. Next, Angular forms. We have the two types of forms. First one is a template driven form. Second one is a reactive forms. Okay. Next, we have the idea how to generate a component. All these command are Angular CLI. Angular CLI is the command based interface where you single command you can able to run a solution. You can able to generate a component, a module, services, whatever it is. Next, HTTP services oriented thing. Next, routing, lazy loading. Okay, lazy loading is command app specification to feature modules. Next, route guards, and then head of compilation production modes. Okay, all these concepts are need to know before starting about this phase 2. Whoever is having the confusion, right? I am suggesting come from the phase 1. Okay, otherwise you may get the confusion. Sir, I know all these concepts, but real-time oriented structure I was not at, and I have not found anywhere. Yes, this will be the platform. I will do everything. Next, this is about a concept. Next, we'll jump into the what type of the project. We'll directly go with a live project. Okay. So which project we have selected yesterday?
Like a grocery.
Go Fresh. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is the another different project. So what is the project or how we are going to develop? So we are going to develop from the scratch to advanced level. Total end to end we will develop from this login page, including the validation, everything we will do. Yes, once you are logging into the system, then you will get a dashboard like this, including the logout, where you can able to place the orders. So here user can able to pick, place the orders, everything. So, but definitely I will make a confident. Once you develop, come to the class regularly, have a 1 month of time. If you develop and parallelly doing right, for example, today I will explain and I will give it to the lab to the students. If you follow certain condition, then definitely you will get the concept. Definitely will become a perfect. So already few students are there from the previous batch. Where you joined, Roy joined, Raj Gopal, Usha. 3 are the new. 5 are old students already there. Whoever wants to seriously write, come for the serious students. So this definitely 100% will helpful. So already we have done a journey with the 1.5 month from the existing students. They already able to do. Okay. Next, all these things, how to do registration, everything end to end we will do it. Okay. Okay, fine. So we selected this one as a home cart. Yes, right. First, any project you've done, right? What you have to do, what you need to do first, we need to take the tasks, what we need to implement. So let me open Excel sheet. What type of the features we need to implement? Okay, first we need to implement the login. This is the command user registration. User can able to log in, user can able to register. Next, home dashboard. Next, home panels. Next, search items. Next, grid to show. These are the command are the orders. Okay, all these are under the order items. Next, what else screens we will develop? Orders. Inside of orders, I can able to get what are all the orders, what are the pending orders, what are the confirm orders, everything we will develop. Next, Next, if you want to add anything here, we can able to add one name, choose file, what type of the thing, everything we can able to add, items relevant thing. Okay, this type of the rich project we will develop end to end. Okay, these are the list of the user. Here you add a new delivery man. Okay, we'll dig into the project one by one. By first time, if you see right, we'll confuse. Sorry, can we able to develop this one or not? Yes, already few members in the student, while going to the batch parallelly, they develop a one small mini project, food order system. Okay, no need to worry. We'll do it this one in a month, end to end. We'll do with the concept explanations, all the things. So, any doubts for the what type of the what type of this project for the new members? Okay, fine. Okay, this is direct live project. When you done the live project, then the confidence level will be the different. For example, one task given to you, too many issues are came, but finally, if you solve all the issues and you given the delivery, once you got the appreciation, that level of confidence will be different. Okay, okay, fine. So for this one, I'm just creating a project from the scratch. I just created a project as home dashboard, home cart. Okay, this is my project. So let me open that project. Hope everybody having the project setup, everything right. In the sense,
Yes.
you can able to create your Visual Studio Code. Hope everybody having the Node.js, everything installation setups are there, right? Okay. So I just ran the solution. Which command I have used? npm start. I can use ng-serve also. What is the difference between npm start and ng-serve? What is the difference between npm start and ng-serve? Can I build this solution either by using npm start, and can I build this solution by using npm start also? ng-serve or npm start, either can I use?
In package folder, we have defined ng-serve, but ng-serve is derived from npm start. We can use both of them for compiling the project.
Yes. So here we have the package.json. In package.json, you can able to see that one. Let me open a notepad. So once you press the npm start, this will refer to the ng-serve. People's in the real time also they will do frequently, but they don't know the difference. Okay, this is the difference. Even though if you're using npm start, npm is the node command to start the application. It will call ng-serve. ng-serve will present in our package.json file. Okay, but if you are using the React, right? React only will have the one command, that is npm start only, not ng-serve. Okay, ng-serve is the Angular serving the application. Okay, once if I click on Angular serve application, so you can able to see this type of the application will be launched. Okay, okay, let us clear whatever we need, kept it. Okay, this is my project application folder, which is the component initially loads. When I ask a question, please unmute yourself. Okay, we know all the concepts, right? Why kept
Default
unmute?
app related folders like HTML, CSS, spec
Yes.
and TS, and we additionally have routing and app
That will be
model.
correct. I'm asking only one thing. What is the component only? So answer will be the app.component.ts file.
Component.
Why it is app
App
component will be called?
Because we define it is
We define.
Bootstrap. We define in that bootstrap app.dot module. Yes, we define that root file where it has to load.
Your answer is correct, but that perfectly wrong answer. Your answer is correct, that perfect wrong answer. Why? Because are you defining in a bootstrap? No, you will not define in a bootstrap as a app component. Angular will be defined. Okay, it was defined in a app module with a bootstrap. You need to answer like this, but your answer is correct. Your intention is correct. In app module, for the bootstrap, you are specifying the app component, then app component will be the initial component. Okay. Next. Yes, we know that one, all the things we know, but what we need to do, we need to go exact way and the correct way. Okay. I have got component.html file. Let me go. So this is the HTML file which you are see on this one. Okay. Sir, first time project is given to me, I'm not able to understand. Yes. First time, whatever it is, 200 components are there also, no need to worry. Inspect page, please see, observe. Every time you will get a new points. If you want, you can able to write down. So inspect page, click on inspect page, you no need to worry. Simply click on here. So once you click on here, right, this is the div which you are showing where it is load. App root, it was loaded. Okay. So now you can able to check it, only one root app root is there. Okay. Next, copy it. Copy it. How many components are no need to worry in a real time. Sometimes they will give client give or else a team lead will give the work. So suddenly they will give project. No need to worry. They want to fix the issue. Only the purpose we are going to work is on the top of the data. See here, this is a one project. What you are doing, going to do here. This is the rich project. Leave it first. This is the data only. Data will become, data will be stored. That's it. Other than that, nothing is there. A project in the sense you are going to deal with the data. Okay, this is your UI, this is your database. Okay, what we are going to do on the top of that one, sending the request, getting the request. Only what it will travel, data only. But on the top of the data, you can able to have the security, so and so, so and so, so and so, something else. But only data, think like that one. So there is a one thing else, right? Not a man. We need to check like this. Okay, data will be travel, data will be come, the data will be presented by component. That's it in Angular. Nothing is there. But the way of the data can be a form. The way of data can be a grid. See here, this is the form. Once you coming to here, this will be the grid. Once you come to the dashboard, this will be the charts or some representation. Whatever data can show in the different ways. But think about data will become, data will be go. But how to way of the presentation of the data once you are modifying such a thing. For example, if you're in the registration, here, if you modified something unexpectedly, you click on the dashboard, but it is working. Why? Because they are not implemented routing. We will implement a route guard. Yes or no? So how to handle this situation? We already learn concepts in our base things. Earlier we have learned this concept. So once a user enter the data, unexpectedly click on another, which concept? Which concept do we need to use?
Can deactivate or can
Can
activate.
activate.
Route guard concept we need to use. Yes, as of now we have confident about the concept to be used. Let us implement the concepts. So now this moment is ready to implement the concepts. Okay, think about on the data only. If you see here, this one only the root only. Where will be the root? Copy this one. Okay, go here in Visual Studio. Simply open this project. Suddenly, sir, they given a new project. I am having the experience end to end, but what I can now I will tell you that one how to dig into the project also. App component here you have the selector, right? So this will be the responsible component. Definitely you got the component. Click on here, click on Explorer, click on HTML page. Okay, this HTML page is the responsible. So for our project, this HTML page is not required. Let us remove. Create one div page. Welcome to Home Mart. Okay, welcome to Home Mart. So it will compile. Once you save, it will compile. I'm just refreshed this. It is refreshing once again. Okay, meantime, the compilation is going on, right? It is refreshing. So compilation done, it's refreshing system. Okay, so let us create a component. So this is our system. We'll start with which thing? See here, we'll start with login page. Okay, so already few students done the login, then it will be good. Who have done that login page? Nancy, have you done? Ashwini, hope she done and sent to me. Okay, sent in a
No,
group.
Krishna, I haven't done.
Okay.
Right, so
I will do it today.
next, what about registration page? Venkatesh,
Yes, sir. I have shared in the group.
okay, have you done registration page?
Yes, sir. I have done.
Okay, send that screenshot. Tim, if
Yes,
possible,
sir.
if you have the access, right? Can you send that?
I have. I have already sent in the group.
No, can you able to send here?
Uh, Krishna, small doubt. When we have image, right, complete, if you want the registration part or login part to display only one side,
Hmm.
what do we use? We use like um, float left or display left.
But
What?
it will be correct. Did you started anything before
Yeah,
that?
I was trying. Yesterday, I made the login page in the ongoing. I made a new project. I'm trying to do it. I want my login like my
But where is the
username and
screenshot? Did you
password
send the
on.
screenshot?
No, no. I was trying to do it. I am stuck
No.
with it. My image is completely
Wait,
there, but
you got a struck also. You need to complete that login first. Is that done?
yeah.
Which is the thing? Send me a screenshot. This is the next level. No need to say about I have got the struck. Struck means before the struck you have done completed, right?
No,
Team,
like I want my login to display on the other side of the image. So wait, I can send you right now.
yeah, please send it.
I have sent, sir.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen.
Missing one field, that is country field.
Okay. So even though if you're done or not, I will explain again itself. Before if you done right, then that confidence level will be different. Okay. See here, one student done this login. Next, the home dashboard. Good. Next, same home dashboard. Next, this is for the registration page. Okay. Done it. Uma, is sending something?
Not yet. 1 second.
But you got the doubt, then it will be good. But before that, if you're sending right, then we'll think like, okay, Uma doing and Uma sending something. Venkatesh, are you joined from the laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you zip your registration page code and send to me?
Okay, sir. Okay.
but I will explain here. But if you done before itself, right, then you'll get a confident. Okay, I can able to, because we already done the concepts, right? Next, how to create a component. Meantime, he's sending. We'll create a login component. How to create a component? Any new members? Can you please try how to create a component?
G space, G space, C space.
No, who is on? Oh, Uma, not you. Usha, can you please try it? Usha or Rajgop.
Generate component name,
Okay, can you give me
ng
that?
generate component.
Yes, perfectly correct answer. So where we need to generate the components?
Within the src folder, if you have any subfolders, you can create in that. Wherever you want,
Yes.
you have to go into that folder and create it.
Correct. Absolutely perfect. Correct answer. So here you are having the SRC. SRC will be the source folder. Angular contain only one source folder, and Angular contain only one app folder. Inside of the app folder, we need to create all our components. So to create that one, type a command in address bar ng Angular, G for generate, C for component, and then component name. Login. Okay, once you press enter, automatically 4 files will be created for us. Okay, why you are setting in the project, right? It will ask for the CSS, SCSS. Take the SCSS. What is the difference between CSS and SCSS? Anybody?
In SCSS, we will use variables declaration and conditions.
Yes, so CSS means you can able to simply assign. For example, if you want to reuse that term, tomorrow client wants this, or I don't want the 9 pixel, I want the 10 pixel. So how many files you need to modify? Wherever you are referring your font size as a 10 pixel, you need to modify all the files. Instead of that one, if you create a variable that only possible in SCSS, okay, you can able to modify.
Yes.
Okay, these things we have seen earlier. Okay, 4 files are created along with a folder. Here your thing is ready. So this is a login component. So let us design some login page. Next, we will give the image also. Where we need to give the images? What is the preferred place for?
Assets, and then we
Yes.
create an
So
image.
here we have
folder.
the assets, right? Hope everybody is following, right? New members and all. Here you have the assets. If that meeting got disconnected, please rejoin back. Okay. Here you have the assets. Okay, inside of assets, you can able to create, for example, you have the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the third party library. All you need to kept here. Create a folder, images. I need to add images. Images. Next, folder, JS. Next, folder, CSS. Okay, we need to all this add these files. Okay, so which version of the Bootstrap are you preferring, everyone? Why it is not at loading?
4.
4+, yeah, 4.5 something.
Okay, go to the Bootstrap. We'll see how to give a reference of the Bootstrap. Okay, before seeing that one, please everyone rejoin. So how to provide a reference of Bootstrap, and we'll create a login. We'll complete in this session itself. Please rejoin. Everyone, please rejoin.